Hi! Recently, Reckless Eating had put up a video of them doing the UHF challenge where they took a Twinkie, put a hot dog in it with spray cheese. That's what they did in the movie UHF, the Weird Al movie. So I got my Twinkies. They're not the same hot dogs, but I got my hot dogs. We are premium full-length Oscar Mayer beef franks. And got my easy cheese. Easy, cheesy, cheesy, easy. Alright. Now, I completely forgot my knife. Can you hand me that knife over there? It's not the best. Oh wait, never mind. This is gonna be old Trusty. Yeah, old Trusty's nice. Anyway. If these packages weren't childproof, I could get it open faster. Here we go. They did 2 in 1 minute. There's 2. I'll go ahead and open those. Should have gotten Buddy too if you wanted to do this. And it says technically a challenge, so I'm going to put it on my channel in my challenges playlist, so that'll be fun. Okay, I got those 2. I'm going to go ahead and take my knife and cut that in half there. And I got this one in half here. Such. Oh, that's going to be yummy. Alrighty. And then do this. When I watched Reckless Eating's video, I think I'm going to agree with Matt that the Twinkies are going to serve as blockages, so it'll be hard to chew the hot dog. But if you take small bites, I don't think it should be too much of a problem. Now they microwaved theirs first. I didn't. These are straight fresh out of the package, just bought from the store. So we'll see how this goes. Do you have a stopwatch? Mm-hmm. Okay. I do not. I meant to buy one, but I didn't. Don't know why. Just didn't. It's a lot of cheese. Okay. There they are. This is, I don't know what to expect. I don't. Really don't. I don't even know if I'll be able to do this. Still good cheese. I'm nervous, but I'm very hungry. So, hang on, let me move this over here.
As soon as it touches your mouth, I'll go.
Okay, ready? Set, go. Too much chewing.
You said a minute, right? Okay. You're 30 seconds.
Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. Woo. I'm calling now. It's not gonna happen.
45 seconds.
Well, my minute's mostly up. I'm gonna finish this though, cause that is not bad.
And done.
There you go. A minute passed. Didn't get it done. I only got 1. Well, at least I'm gonna finish 1, so it's better than Matt did. But Chris has me beat. I believed Chris, and I was right. These are good. I've never felt more American in my life. That much is true. But these are good. Yeah. Well, this has been another Comatose Llama Challenge. I'm your host, Avery Ibbotson, saying see you next week.